from the OBTV Live Weather Center. Your weather for Northwest Mississippi with meteorologist Sam Riker.
Hello everyone, I'm Sam Riker. You're watching OBTVLive.com, your day planner forecast on this Saturday, brought to you by Wild Birds Unlimited of South Haven, located at 5847 Getwell Road, Suite AA. Do you know where the big old water tower is at Snowden Grove? They're right across the street from that. Give them a call at 662-510-5626. Today, not so bad, but it's going to be hot and humid at 8 a.m. Mostly sunny skies. Mostly sunny skies. Temperature 79 degrees. We're not quite ready for the high yet. At noon, sunny skies and 89 degrees. And at 5 p.m., we're looking at mostly sunny skies, 92 degrees. Winds today from the southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Check out Wild Birds Unlimited of South Haven. Relax and enjoy the birds.